On this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram black screen easy and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is very simple and easy. Just keep watching this video until the very end. So all what you have to do is just go to the settings on your phone like this and then scroll down until you find the apps manager. After that, all what you have to do is go to the apps. Now on this page it will give you all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Just scroll down until you find Instagram and then click on it. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. It's called app information page. Click on force stop like this and then scroll down and go to the storage. After you go to the storage, you will find many informations right here. Click on clear data and clear cache. And now all what you have to do is go to the open by default and make sure that the supported links are the same as I have here, and then go to the open supported links and make it always allow. Now restart your phone and open Instagram. The problem is gonna be solved 100%. Don't forget to like, subscribe.